The versatile SF-B0418 magnetic mini exercise bike can do it wherever, whenever. Burn those calories while sitting on the couch, or while multitasking in your office, or even in bed. This mini bike can be used as a traditional stationary cycle, focusing on the calves, hamstrings, quads, and glute muscles, improving blood circulation and muscle endurance. Strengthen muscles in the hands, forearms, and shoulders. Internal belt drive mechanism is virtually maintenance-free and keeps each pedal stroke virtually silent smooth. 8 levels of responsive magnetic resistance will increase or decrease the workout intensity. The easy-to-read LCD digital monitor keeps track of your workout progress. Dual-function molded handles act as pedals and ergonomic hand grips. Straps provide added security while pedaling with the feet. Space-efficient design and built-in carrying handle make using and storing the mini exercise bike simple and easy. Make the change today towards being healthy and happy with the SF-B0418 magnetic mini exercise bike.